Good morning. In last lectures, we understand the cell, chemical cell without transference. For example, we find out the cell that is the platinum H2 hydrogen gas. Hydrogen gas, it is denoted by G and pressure P. This is the cell representation for chemical cell, right? And this is connected with this HCl, and the second electrode, that is AgCl, solid Ag. So this is the cell representation for the chemical cell. Okay, this we just over review of this chemical cell, and from this cell we find out the left hand side and the right hand side oxidation and reduction reactions which is taking place over here and over here. These electrodes, the metal salt electrode and the hydrogen electrode. Then we just overall reaction, that is a cell reaction for this one, and from that we can find out the reaction quotients, that is Q. Okay, so once we know the representations and cell reactions and the reaction quotient, then we can able to find out the EMF of the cell. So we can derive the equation for EMF of the cell for the particular reactions or the particular cell. So here the EMF of the cell EC is equals to ER minus EL. So this R represent the right hand side and L represent the left hand side. So right hand side electrode, that is the silver chloride electrodes, and the left hand side, that is the hydrogen electrode, this one. So we can find out the equations for this and this, and then combine the equations. In this equation we can find out the cell EMF of the overall cell. So that mentioned in this equation, and then we can directly find out the EMF of the cells. The last equation is, it is the EC is equals to, that is the E0 AgCl minus 2.303 RT F log of to the base 10 is activity of HCl upon activity of this hydrogen gas, this 1/2. This is the last equation when we find out. Okay, then if the EMF of the cell and activity of HCl and the pressure H2 for this hydrogen gas, it is unity, and then reduce these equations. Equations upon reduce करू शकतो, that is the this EC is equals to E0 AgCl minus 2.303 T upon F into log of to the base 10 activity of HCl only. So this is the equations which will be find out. Okay, and this is equations for the chemical cell without transference, right? Now today we are going to talk about the concentration cell with transference and without transference, both. So this, the examples for are the, we can explain the concentration cells with transference and without transference with the help of some examples, right? So this concentration cells, the EMF of this concentration cell, it always depends on the transfer of materials from one electrode to the other electrode. So this is only depends on the which material is transferred from one electrode to the other electrodes, and due to this the concentrations or their activity, so having some differences. So it means that there is some concentration differences between these two electrodes, or there may be the activity differences, whatever the activity is occurs, or this happened there, that is the difference between these two electrodes. So this difference in concentration, it may be either in electrodes or it may be either in electrolytic solutions. ओके, तो जो डिफरन्स असेल कॉन्सन्ट्रेशनचा, हा एक तर दोन इलेक्ट्रोड मध्ये असणार आहे किंवा इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सोल्युशन्स मध्ये डिफरन्स असेल. So the concentration difference between these two electrode or between two electrolytic. On the basis of that concentration difference, the concentration cell having two types. म्हणून त्याचे दोन टाइप पडलाय, एक इलेक्ट्रोड concentration cell and second one electrolyte concentration cell. Electrolyte concentrations. So now one by one we just understand what is the electrode and electrolytic concentration cell. So this concentration cell, electrolyte or electrode concentration cell, this it is the cell without transference because it involves only one electrolytic solutions. आता या सेल मध्ये कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन डिफरन्स हा कशामध्ये असणार आहे, इलेक्ट्रोड मध्ये असेल. बोथ दोन इलेक्ट्रोड मध्ये कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन डिफरन्स असेल आणि तिथे असलेलं इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक सोल्युशन हे एकच असेल. सो कंपल्सरीली द डिफरन्स बिटवीन दिस concentration difference between this two electrode, right? So this electrodes involved must have the very variable concentrations here, and it is used in some gaseous and it is used in some amalgam electrode. This is very important things is when the concentration difference between these two electrodes, that time only this electrolytic solution is same, but the concentration difference between these two electrodes, here is the one electrode, here is the one electrodes, या दोघांमध्ये concentration difference आहे. आणि तो concentration difference केव्हा असेल, one of the electrode it is gaseous or one of the electrode it is amalgam electrodes. So due to this two electrodes having some difference between their concentrations, right? So one by one we just understand the with transference and without transference of the electrode concentration cell. Okay, so electrode concentration cell reversible to cation, reversible to cations. Some of the concentration cells it is reversible to anion, some of the concentration cell it is reversible to cations. So first of all we just understand the electrode concentration cell, it is reversible to cations. Electrode concentration cell, electrode concentration cell that is reversible to cation, reversible to cations. Okay, so if you consider the cell and if you constructed the cell from this, we just focus the point that is the difference, concentration difference between these two cells. So unless and until the one of the electrode it is the gaseous or one of the electrode it is a amalgam electrode, then and only then these two concentration cell is having some difference, right? So one of the electrode it is amalgam electrode here, right? So with these two electrodes having some difference their concentrations, and this we are using the same metal for this one. The examples of this, the reversible to cations of the electrode concentration cell, that is the platinum or that is the Pb, lead, it is amalgamated, that is Hg. So this is the amalgamated electrode, right, having some activity that is A1. It is the, this is the electrolytic solutions, that's 2 Pb2 plus aqueous, and the second electrodes that is this PbHg having the activity A2. So this is the cell representation, electrode concentration cell, well the reversible to cations, reversible to cations. So this is the half cell reactions at left hand side. आता half cell reaction left hand side from this representation, cell representations, it is the Pb activity A1, it is converted to this reaction, that is the Pb2 plus is aqueous plus 2 electron, right? And the reactions occur at right hand side, that is this Pb2 plus, this one Pb2 plus aqueous at 2 electron, accept the 2 electrons, and it's converted into this Pb activity 2, right? So the overall cell reaction is, overall cell reaction is, overall cell reaction is, it is the Pb A1 activity 1 and PbA2 Pb activity 2, right? Because this one and this one, this one and this one, it is get cancelled. So therefore the reaction coefficient for this one, it is A2 by A1, right? So if you consider the both the reaction, it is reduction, right? So then the reaction coefficient is A2 upon A1, right? So this, from this we can say that the no chemical changes occur in this reaction. So the cell reaction consists of this transfer of the Pb of activity A1 in the left amalgam to the activity A2 in the right amalgam, right? So this is only the transfer. There is a no any kind of this chemical change, right? Only this reactions, only the activity is changes or activity is transfer from one electrode to the other electrodes. Okay, so now derive the equations for this cell, that is the EMF equations. Now derive the EMF equation, derive the EMF equations for above cell, for the above cell. आता याच्यासाठी जर आपल्याला EMF equations derive करायचं असेल तर we know that आपल्याला काय माहित आहे, that is the EC is equals to ER minus EL, ER minus EL. आता ER आणि EL, we know that the ER कुठला आहे, the left hand side, and this electrode it is the right hand side. So we can write the, according to this both the electrodes we are expressed EL, that is the EPB0 EL, this one, okay, EPB0 minus the EMF equation 2.303 RT upon this दोन इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बाहेर पडतात म्हणजे 2F, the log of to the base 10, that is activity A1 upon activity A1 upon. आता याचा रिएक्शन लेफ्ट हँड साइडच्या याचा इलेक्ट्रोड काय असणार आहे, तर दॅट इज दिस A1 upon PB activity of PB2 plus, right? This one, if you consider this a reduction, right? So in this way the second electrode, that is the ER same PB0 minus 2.303 RT upon 2F here also, then log of to the base 10 activity of A2, this one, right? Activity of A2 upon activity of PB2 plus, same, right? So now combine these two expressions in this equation, that is EC is equals to ER minus EL, EC is equals to ER minus EL. या इक्वेशन्स मध्ये आपण तो काय करतोय, पुट अप करूया, then find out the equations of the total cell, that is the EMF of the total cell. So now EC is equals to, आता त्याला आपण सेपरेट लिहूया पहिल्यांदा, राईट. E0Pb minus 2.303 RT upon 2F, the log of to the base 10 activity of A2 upon activity of Pb2 plus, right? So this is your first minus this E0Pb minus 2.303 RT upon 2F into log of to the base 10 activity A1 upon activity of Pb. हे दोन्ही इक्वेशन्स फक्त आपण EC is equals to ER minus EL च्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिले हे दोन इक्वेशन्स, राईट. आता कॉमन फॅक्टर्स आहेत ते बाहेर आपण काढतोय. EC is equals to just find out the common factors and it is the, आता याला लिहिताना आपण पहिल्यांदा हा सॉल्व करून घेऊया. देन E0Pb minus 2.303 RT upon 2F log of to the base 10 A2 upon activity of Pb2 plus, okay, minus this one E0Pb, so minus and minus this one plus, that is 2.303 RT upon 2F log of to the base 10, the base 10 activity A1 activity of Pb plus, right. Now so EC is equals to, आता हा plus minus cancel Pb, right. Then common factor काय आहे, that is this minus 2.303 RT upon F 2F, right. हा कॉमन फॅक्टर आहे, बाहेर घेतला. देन ब्रॅकेट मध्ये काय असणार आहे, लॉग ऑफ टू द बेस 10 ऍक्टिव्हिटी A2 upon ऍक्टिव्हिटी Pb2 plus, then minus log of to the base 10, this one, okay, 10 A1 upon activity of Pb2 plus. It complete. Now this is the combined equations, right. Now just the solve it. Log of A minus log of B म्हणजेच काय होईल, log of A upon B, right. त्या फॉर्म मध्ये आपण याला घेतोय. So therefore EC is equals to, I can write here directly the 2.303 RT upon this 2F, right. Then log of to the base 10, it is A2 upon A1. हे जर आपण त्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिले A log of A minus log B, तर log of A upon B होईल. त्या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिले तर हे आणि हे कॅन्सल होईल. We'll get the log of the A2 upon A1, right. So this is the final equations for this one, and just the sign conventions. EC is equals to, आता मायनस साइन जर काढला तर इथं 2.303 RT upon 2F log of to the base 10. So तो मायनस साइन काढला म्हणून A1 upon A2. So this is the combined the EMF expressions or EMF equations for the electrode concentration cell when the reversible to cation. का बरं आपण इथे बघतोय की हा cation कडे reversible होतोय. So therefore it is reversible to cations. And then general equations for this amalgam concentration reaction, it is this जनरल रिएक्शन जर अमलगम कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन ची लिहायची असेल तर कशी लिहिणार, तर मेटल, any kind of metal is amalgamated with the mercury and this having some activity A1, then this metal it is ionized, that is N, that is the ionizations, and that is these ions, it is the N plus, this in a solution. And the second electrodes having a concentrations of this one and their activity is different. So in this way, this is the general representations of any kind of electrode concentration cell whenever it is a reversible to cations, right. And their cell reaction, it is this activity from A1 to the A2, right. So this is the metal A1 and this is electrodes, this metal A2. This is the cell reactions for, and the EMF, the general EMF for this one, the directly we can write there the EC is equals to 2.303 RT upon 2F, or NF. We can write here NF. This is a more correct. Log of to the base 10, that is activity A1 upon activity 2. This is a general equations, EMF equations for the any amalgamated concentration cell where it is reversible to cations, right? So this is all about the with transference, right? हे कसा आहे without transference, sorry, it is without transference, because only transfer, this is not a chemical change, it is only the transfer of one material or one concentrations of the electrodes, or the transfer to the other electrode. There is a no chemical changes occur here. So in this way we can find out the EMF equations for the electrode concentration cell when it is reversible to cations. In the same way, we can find out the reversible to anion electrode concentration cell. It is reversible to anion. So before going to this, we just understand this. Before going to this, we just understand if the at temperature 298 Kelvin, this equation it becomes, that is this EC is equals to 0.0. We know that very well, 591 upon N. म्हणजेच आपण इथे 2.303 R and T गॅस कॉन्स्टंट टेम्परेचर्स आणि फॅराडेज कॉन्स्टंट याचं जर आपण काय करतोय, जर कॅल्क्युलेशन्स केलं तर इट कम्स at this temperature 0.059. If the temperature increases, this value it is also increases, right? And this log of to the base 10, it is activity 1 upon activity 2. This is the higher activity, right? Higher concentration or higher activity, and this is a lower activity. This is the general EMF equations for this one. If the temperature is, if A1 is higher, so it means that A1 is greater than A2. So if the A1 is greater, that time the EC, this one, EC is positive. EC is positive. It means that the reaction is spontaneous. And if it is A1 is lesser, this EC is negative and reaction is non-spontaneous. Okay. So now consider the gas concentration. आता ही जी आपण concentration कशाचं बघितलंय की amalgamated cellचं बघितलंय. Now we just consider the gas concentration cell. जर ही same cell असेल आणि ती जर gas concentrated cell असेल, तर that time what is the EMF equations for this one? The same, reversible to cations, right? So if you consider the gas electrodes, that is, and having a difference between these two electrodes, the two different pressures. So if you consider the platinum in presence of S2, platinum is it only play a role to this carry, okay, the electrons. This is the H2, it is in gas form, and here we can write the pressure, and that is the pressure, it is P1 for this gas. Okay, now this gas is this present, or this electrode is present in HCl solutions. We are right here only the H plus, because this reaction it is reversible to cations. Okay, this H plus ion, that is aqueous, and second electrode, that is the hydrogen gas electrode, that is this gas, and this is P2. This is P2 connected with the platinum. This is a cell representations of the electrode concentration cell, that is the gas electrodes, and they're having a two difference. या दोघांमध्ये difference आहे. Just we write, we are sake of convenience, that is a P1 and P2, and therefore this two electrode is different because their concentration is different. याचं pressure वेगळं आहे, याचं pressure वेगळं आहे. In terms of the pressures, this concentration of pressures here and here, both the electrode is different, right? And therefore we can write here P1 and P2. So this is the cell representations of the electrode concentrations for where this reversible to cation, and this is the this gas electrode. हे दोन gas electrodes. आधी आपण बघितले ते amalgamated electrodes होते. Okay. So just keep in your mind these things. The electrode concentration cell, that is, it is happening only in the amalgamated and gas electrodes, right? So the cell reactions or this occurs at left hand side. Left hand side la kutli reactions hote? So we know that the H2, this, that is P1 and H plus aqueous plus electrons. So at the same time, this right hand side, the reactions is occur, that is the simply H plus the ulat, okay, plus electrons and the formations of one two H2 gas, and then that is the P2, that is the P. So these two reactions is occur in this cell reactions, and overall cell reaction is, or cell reaction, this one is get cancelled. So therefore the cell 1 by 2 H2, this P1 and 1 by 2 H2 is P, right? So there, on the basis of this one, there is the reaction coefficient is this P 2 1 by 2 upon P 1 1 by 2. This is this reaction coefficient on the basis of this one, right? So EMF of the cell, it is given by, for this, the EC is equals to ER minus EL. आता हे इलेक्ट्रोड फॉर राईट हँड साइड आणि इलेक्ट्रोड फॉर लेफ्ट हँड साइड, त्याचं इक्वेशन आपल्याला माहित आहे. ER आपण जर लिहायचं असेल तर काय येणार, EH2 हा 0 असणार आहे, मायनस 2.303. सगळ्या ठिकाणी सारखंच असते. हे आपल्याला फक्त दिसायला मोठं दिसतंय इक्वेशन्स हे ते, पण याच्यात काही नाही आहे. एक 2-3 पॉइंट्स तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवलं तर तुम्ही कुठल्याही याचं हे EMF इक्वेशन्स किंवा हे सगळं लिहू शकता. 2.303, एक इलेक्ट्रॉन बाहेर पडते म्हणजे ओनली F log of to the base 10 and the reaction coefficient for only this reactions right hand side reaction coefficient ते काय असणार आहे, that is the this P2 1 by 2 upon, that is activity of H ions only for this, right? Now the and EL E0H2 minus 2.303 RT, okay, upon F. Here also the one electrons, log of to the base 10, activity or reaction coefficient for this one, that is the P1 1 by 2 upon F. Right. Now combine these equations into this. Suppose this is the one equation and this is the two equations, this is the three equations. So now this equation 1 and equation 2 and 3, it's put into the equation 1. So combined equations काय, EC is equals to, आता हे पूर्ण equations ER काय आहे आणि EL काय आहे, हे combined equations whole equations जेव्हा आपण लिहितो त्यावेळेस सेम. आता जसं आपण हे केले तर यामध्ये this equations, it is just right here the EH20 minus 2.303 RT upon F log of to the base 10, this P2 1 by 2 activity of H plus minus this okay, minus E0H2 minus 2.303 RT upon F log of to the base 10 P1 1 by 2 upon activity H plus. हे दोन equation bracket. Now once we combine these equations, then just solve it. आता याच्यात काही नाहीये, फक्त आपल्याला काय साइन कन्व्हेन्शन्स करायचं आहे आणि जस्ट ब्रॅकेट मधून कॉमन फॅक्टर्स बाहेर काढायचे आहे. ओके, सिंपली. Okay, so therefore EC is equals to, that is I write here directly the common factors minus 2.303 RT. आता हे जे आहे हे बाहेर काढलं तर कॅन्सल होईल, E0 right, RT upon F the log of to the base 10 P2 1 by 2 upon activity of H plus this 2.303 RT upon F log of to the base 10 P1 1 by 2 upon activity of H plus, right? Now आता हे इक्वेशन जर असं लिहिलं असेल तर हेच इक्वेशन्स म्हणजे काय मगासारखं आपण करू शकतोय EC. आता हा कॉमन फॅक्टर आहे तो आपण बाहेर काढतोय. म्हणजे काय होईल इथे -2.303 अपॉन f. इथे काय राहील शिल्लक ब्रॅकेटमध्ये टू द P21/2 अपॉन ऍक्टिव्हेट ऑफ H प्लस मायनस is P1/2 upon minus log of to the base 10. Okay. Activity of H plus and bracket come. आता हेच log of A minus log of B सारखं आहे त्यामुळं हे आणि हे कॅन्सल होतोय बरोबर. पण जर त्याला असं लिहिलं तर हे वर जाते आणि हे खाली येते त्यामुळे this EC is equals to -2.303 RT upon F into log of to the base 10. हे लिहिलं तर काय होईल इथे that is the activity of P21 activity P1 मायनस साइन काढलंय म्हणून हे काय जाणार हे वर जाणार राईट खाली राईट. सो दे फाइंड द इक्वेशन्स. आता इथे थोडस आपल्याला हे इक्वेशन्स लेंथली वाटतंय त्याचं कारण असं आहे की इथे काय होतंय की प्रेशर्स 1 आणि प्रेशर्स 2 असल्यामुळे आपल्याला थोडस याला सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहे. दॅट इज EC is equals to this 2.303 RT upon F log of to the base 10. आता हे जर 1/2 1/2 आहे तो कॉमन आहे म्हणून आपण याला काय करतोय P2 upon P1 याला ब्रॅकेट मध्ये 1/2 आणि तो इकडे घेतोय म्हणजे साई EC is equals to 2.303 RT. आता याला बाहेर जर घेतलं असेल तर आपण याला घेताना ब्रॅकेट मध्ये लिहूया 1/2 log of the base 10 P2 upon P1. Right. So sorry P1 upon P2. Okay. Also P1 upon